Hey, it's your boy Brendo coming at you with another tutorial. So today we're learning We Pull on Heaven by Red Worship, Jonathan Stamper, and Jonathan Traylor. While watching this video and learning the song, if you think of another song you may want to learn, put it in the comment section. I'll definitely be checking them out and I may actually do your video. So it's worth the try, right? All right, so without further ado, let's get started. All right, so this song is in the key of B flat major. Here's our B flat major scale. All right, so let's talk about the number system. The number system is what I'm gonna be using to describe the chords that I'm playing throughout this tutorial. So let's go over these chords real quick. So the first chord in the major scale is gonna be a B flat major chord. This is a triad. The C minor 7 chord is going to be our 2. This B flat major over the D is going to be our 3 chord, right? So 1, 2, 3. This E flat major chord is our 4. 5 is a F major. 6 is a G minor 7. Our 7 is going to be an F major over A, and then back to our 1 again. Okay, so these are the chords we'll be using throughout this tutorial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, let's get to it. So the song starts off with a line, and then the first chord is going to be the 4 chord. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. So you saw I did, and then this is how I'm landing on my 4 chord. So one more time, 1, 2, 3. Right, this is my first chord I'm playing, to a 6 chord, to a 5, back to a 3, to a 4. So one more time, 1, 2, 3. And then we're at the verse. So the verse is actually the same exact chord progression. So the enemy was telling me I was losing, whispering his lies inside my ear, telling me my situation's hopeless, convincing me there's no point to my praise. And then we go to the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus starts off with another line that you're gonna use in your right hand. And it sounds like this, right? So, what I'm doing is C, D, C, B flat, G. And that's when he says, but he has no power. So, and we're gonna land again on that 4 chord. So 1, this is the pre-chorus, 2, 3, but he has no power. 6, 5, same progression. 4, and then here's our chorus. Our chorus is gonna start off with a 4, 1, 4, 1, and this leads us off to the beginning of the chorus. All right, so again, pre-chorus, the introduction, verse 1, and pre-chorus, all the same chord progression until you get to the chorus. 4, 1. And now when you get to this chorus, the chord progression changes. So here we go, it starts on the 1. In the middle of the fight, we pull on heaven. Pretty simple, right? 1, 6 chord, 4. Until the 3rd time. When you do this the 3rd time, instead of going straight to the 6th chord, you're actually gonna do a passing chord, which is a 2, then 6, then 4, right? So chords 2, 3, 4. In the middle of the fight, we pull on heaven. And when we cry, we question, we know you're here. And then till the last time, instead of going to the 1 chord, you're actually going to do a 1/3. Right? I could do it like this, or like this, or like this. It's all the same chord, just different inversions. You start on the 1/3 to the 6 to 4. All right, so again, beginning of the chorus. 1, 2, chorus. In the middle of the fight, we pull on heaven. And when we cry, there is no question. We know you're here. We know you'll answer. God, your kingdom it is. We pull on heaven. Interlude. Right, this is the interlude right here. That same progression we're doing before. 2, 3, verse. Same thing, over and over again. Until you get to the pre-chorus. Now the pre-chorus is gonna change. So pre-chorus, they say that you have all power and dominion, as is a 5. We're taking the authority and claiming our victory. These chords are a little bit different from what we started with, right? So this is the second pre-chorus. That he has all power. This is our regular E flat major and dominion. We're taking the authority. This chord is a 4/6. And what does that mean? It means I'm playing a 4 chord in my right hand and a 6 in my left. E flat major in my right, G in my left. We're claiming our victory. Same concept. I'm playing a 5/7 now. A 5 in my right, 7 in my left. Back to chorus. 4/1. In the middle of the fight, we pull on. Same thing, but you do the chorus twice this time around. All right, so we've made it to the end of the second chorus. We did it 2 times, and now we're gonna go into the bridge. Before we get to the bridge, there's a line that you can actually do, and I think that if you do this line, if you're playing with the band, everybody will appreciate it. But here's how it looks, right? Right, you can even do one hand. This will lead us into the bridge. Here are shouts of intercession. All right, so again, so this is our last chorus. Right? Or you can do what the guitar is doing in the right hand. Right? And what I'm doing in my right hand is so G, F, G, A, B flat, D, I'm sorry, C, D, A. So right? It's pretty tricky, but if you practice it enough, I'm sure it'll sound great. Or you can just do the regular chords for that bridge. And you can let the guitar do that instead, right? If you don't have the guitar, then you might want to learn it. Okay, and that's the bridge, right? until you go back into the chorus again. We know the chords for the chorus. So yeah, you're gonna go back into the bridge one more time, and this is when they say pull on it, pull on it. And for that part, the progression is the same. There's only one variation in that second time going to the bridge, right? They do a thing where it's like, right? So instead of going straight up from the 4 to the 5 to the 6, they make a quick stop at a flat 6, right? And this chord is gonna be a diminished chord. That don't sound diminished to me. There you go. This is gonna be a diminished chord. So, okay, cool. And that's the only variation. This is our diminished chord right here. Back to the 3. And that's the only variation for that second time going to the bridge. And that's pretty much the entire song. Alright, so that's it. Check out my other videos. See if there's any other tutorials that you might want to watch, want to learn, and put your suggestions in the comment section. Love you guys. See you next time.